Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper, along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Mr. Cameraman wants a new office chair, and apparently Sam's Club's got one, so we are gonna go get it for him. Me and Zena love Sam's Club. Now, all we had was a picture of this item. We didn't know where it was, so we just aimlessly walked around until we found it, and immediately got home, just opened it up. There are a number of pieces. I'm kind of concerned this is gonna be difficult. I'm not actually sure if it is or not, but we do have all of the pieces. Zena is over here chilling out in one of her beds. She is assisting me today. So now we are just going to go through each step, just step by step by step. So the first step is placing the star base upside down and inserting the casters into the hole. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we're still on step one, and this is actually really quite easy. These just push in, and then you just push down until you hear a click, and then they don't pull back out. So now we're gonna move right on to step two, which is just flipping this dude over and inserting this. So it must just sit down in there like that. Okay, so now step three is attaching the seat, the bottom of the seat cushion with the little levery thing, whatever you call that. You guys, so far me and Zena are a little bit shook by how easy this is. She's being quite the little helper over here though. So they did include the little Allen wrench to tighten those down. Now, step four is to flip this, keeping in mind where this hole is, because you need to flip it over, and it just says push here, put here until fully engaged. So let's go ahead and get that up there. And guess who spoke too soon? I was just about to put that on there, and you guys, I even read this, it says front. I thought this was the front, but I put this on backwards. So obviously that's the front. So let's untwist these babies and get this thing turned around, and then we'll be putting it up there. Okay, so something interesting. Now that I have this flipped around, I don't know why, but the screws are way harder to put in. And you can see on the back now, the holes don't line up perfectly, having this going the right direction. So these back ones are quite difficult to get in because they kind of go in at an angle. So this one started at an angle, and then it straightened itself out as I kept twisting. Okay, so the next step is putting the arms on, and this is actually proving to be a little bit difficult. You have to really squeeze this in with your hand that you're not using with the Allen wrench, because the grooves that these screws latch onto are like deep in there. But you're not supposed to tighten them all the way, so I'm just going to finish this one and then do the other side too. Okay, so we just finished that. Now I'm a little bit confused on step 6. You can see their pictures here show 2 of these holes lining up right there so that you can insert a screw. So on their picture, it shows that this hole is supposed to somehow line up with this one, which it does if I push it down. But according to their picture, the backrest should just be laying flat on the seat. So I'm really not sure what's going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have to hold it like that with the seat up like this and screw it in, and I guess I'll see what happens. So I just got that done, and you guys can see the orientation of the back. And again, it is not at all what their picture shows, but I think I have the screws in the right spot. So now you stand up the back and you screw this into here, and then you tighten all of the screws. And there we have it. You guys, the last step was so easy. It was just plugging all of these holes And there you have it. The Serta Professional Office Chair from Sam's Club, 99 bucks, is put together. I do have to say, I think that it was pretty easy, and Zena definitely says that she could put another one together. If you guys liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you never miss the next time this little cutie puts together another item. And the little thingy to raise and lower it is in the back. So yeah, get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one. Bye.